In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition switch on your Scion XB. This is going to be located in the steering wheel. Let's get started. Grab the bottom corner of the kick plate and pull straight towards you. Pop the plastic panel out. We have a connector. Push on the tab, pull straight up, remove it. Tab's right there on top. On the other side, we have one more. I'm going to pinch it with our thumb, pull straight back, remove the connector, and remove the panel. Open the lever for the steering wheel. We're going to pull this all the way out and all the way down, and then lock it back into place. We're going to separate our bottom and top cover. I'm going to use my fingers to get in. I'm going to pull down on the bottom and pull that cover down. Remove the connector, push on the tab, pull straight back. We're also going to remove this connector for space. Push on the tab, pull straight back. Push straight forward and remove that connector off of the switch. We have two Phillips head screws that we need to remove. Remove the two screws and the ignition switch. Install the new ignition switch. Get the screws started by hand. Snug the screws down. Install the connector onto the side of the switch. Install the connector for the ignition switch. Make sure you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Install the connector. Same thing. Hear that click. Give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Before putting the steering wheel back together, double check. Make sure that everything's working. Install the lower cover into place. Push the top cover into the bottom cover until it snaps together. Do this on both sides. Be sure all of the tabs are grabbing. Turn the steering wheel to its position. Install the connectors to the kick panel. Push until you hear those clicks. Make sure they're locked in. Line up the trim panel. Push straight in and be sure all of the clips click into place. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.